Hey everyone, Minecraft Boy here. In our cupboard, we just found a Nerf gun. Like, we just found this in our cupboard, so we might be opening that today. Yeah, hold on. Okay, my little brother just wanted to join in, so just. Anyway.
I'm beaten with my blue hand.
I know, we're just trying to make something. And we just found this Nerf gun right here in our cupboard.
Guys, I forgot.
Yeah, so I'm just quickly gonna open it. Let's just go and try to get the camera on it. That's not it. There it is.
Someone's there, guys.
So I'm just gonna open this if I can with one hand because I'm holding the camera. Can't even open it. Can't even open it, guys.
Hey guys, I'm making a square ball on the paint.
Wait, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, just gonna open this right now. Or I'm just gonna ask my brother. Nikki, do you see me open this? Okay. Okay, guys, he's just coming right now. Just don't get paint on the camera.
And I'm not going to get my soap.
Okay? Could you open it with me?
Well, no.
Okay.
I said you all.
No, I just found it.
Ah.
Oh, the gun just fell out. But got the ammos. They got. Now let's go see how this thing works. So we're going
I can even shoot for real. There's something can be dead. We're just in the house.
to look at bullets one right here. Oh, something, guys.
Shoot me, guys. Hey, shoot me.
It would really hard if I shoot you with this. Maybe.
Please shoot me.
I'm just gonna see how this thing works.
Shoot me. Shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me.
Okay, wait, no! Okay, guys. Now, just got this Nerf gun set. I just need to put like. Let's put this. Do this. Now, let's see again. Let's see this spot. Oh! Oh god, that. I did not.
Oh my god, guys. What did I just
Pass me the apples, please.
Oh.
Please, pass me the apples.
Here's the apples.
Who spat on them?
What the heck?
Guys, comment if you think he spat on the apples. Say yes or no. Oh. Let's have one more try of shooting this. It's going to be epic. Just have to put this ammo in.
This ammo, guys.
3,
Right, guys.
2, 1. They're going. Nicky! Sorry guys, that was this my little brother. He just passed the camera. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys.
I just look at the camera and I look at just look like that bullet just teleported out.
Guys, today guys, I was stuck with my hands and did I spit on the ammo? He said no. Hey guys.
That telly right there, this one.
Yeah, that
and
one.
my hands on.
Oops.
Look, stupid,
Yeah.
stupid things. Right
Yeah.
there. Oh look. Oh, but I just saw a Deadpool.
That's the belly,
Yeah.
okay guys?
But just one more try of this Nerf gun, then
You guys
should
see
just
the
end the video.
belly? Oh dear.
There. Come on. How do I do this? 3. Oh yeah, wait. 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Bounced.
Hey guys, I love to.
I bounced right over it. This gun doesn't look like a gun at all.
Yeah, guys, it doesn't even fit everybody, and nobody can beat that. That's like a
And
toy.
the final,
Still, guys.
I'm going to shoot my butt. Yeah, shoot my butt with this gun.
Hey guys, some people have.
I'm just gonna shoot my butt.
I have my squad.
What? Oh!
Squad, I like to see.
That was
Squad,
I hope you enjoyed this video.
Squad.
Okay, bye.
Wait.